What's up, Lumi boys? Welcome back to a new episode. I'm Alex and this is
David Space. Well, this video is mostly about shooting with your iPhone, how to make a cool video like this.
how cool was that, right?
Oof, I loved it. I can even smell the cinnamon, like I want to drink coffee now.
Yeah, I think it was too much cinnamon.
Well guys, on this video, we're bringing you the behind the scenes of how we shot this video with only
Your iPhone and a ring light. You only need to find a good spot to manage your lighting.
Let's see what everything is about. Woo!
Okay guys, over here we are setting up the ring light. We put it in a high position so the lighting is not so hard on the subject, and also you don't make any shadows when you're moving in and out the frame. To get the best quality from your phone, go to settings, now go to image quality and put it in 4K 60 frames per second. Don't forget to clean your lens. Hold your phone horizontally with both hands so you have a better stabilization. Okay guys, now we are starting the behind the scenes. To be able to get all these shots, you will need to pre-plan before everything and have a sequence in mind of every transition that you're going to do from one shot to the next one. On this shot, we'll be presenting the product with a dynamic shot that's coming from the bottom. On this shot, we're using a transition coming from the counter, sliding the coffee pot into the frame. Now on the next one, we try also to do several shots, try to do as much shots as you can, but also keep in mind that one shot is going to follow the next one. As you can see in this shot, we're using the spoon to pour it into the coffee maker, moving the phone from side to side. Now on this shot, we're using a top view to add some movement and dynamic of the circle when you're screwing the coffee maker. Okay, on this shot, we're using a lot of close-ups. Remember, on your phone, you can zoom in electronically. You zoom in and then you can get another close-up further than your phone. Try to get the shot of the milk in the middle while moving the camera from side to side. Now this shot is really similar to the other one, it's just that we are moving away from it at the end. And to end with the final shot, we are zooming into the product, showing you guys the final result.
We hope you guys find this video useful. Send us your inspiration videos.
And if you would like to see how we edit this video, let us know in the comments and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.
And if you're not subscribed, what are you?
That was weird.